Thank you. Hey, welcome back to Wild Rose Lane Design, where imagination and design meet to play. And today's little mini adventure is brought to you by this mirror and Facebook Marketplace, and making probably poor decisions while thrifting. Let me take you back to a Sunday morning. I decide to be creative and search Facebook Marketplace, as I often do when I'm searching for pieces for my Pirate Cove and some other little special projects. And I came across this mirror and it spoke to me. So I contacted the seller. She wasn't available until after 5. I looked up the address. I forgot, and so it was kind of like dark. And here you see we are in a really sketchy area, not even meeting with the seller that was pictured. And I'm looking at this mirror because it spoke to me. I can't even make excuses. Mom, I'm sorry. Don't worry, I sent my other friend, neighbor Megan, our location, our address, who we're meeting with, and all those good things, what time we arrived, and contact her when we left. But she was pretty mad at us because she said, "What are you doing meeting in the middle of somewhere like this at night?" And you know what? She was absolutely right. The plan was to be there during the day. I forgot that I even reached out to the seller, got busy with some other projects, and then I remembered. So when we were leaving, it was still sunny out, and I did look up the address ahead of time, and I recognized the area, and I did notice that it didn't lead to an actual residential space or anything like that, and it did lead us to like a truck, mobile type of location, and I figured we would drive by and see if it was okay, but before we let the seller know we made it. And I will say I did not necessarily like that it wasn't the seller who was presenting the mirror that we saw, but it worked out. It was fine. We were prepared and safe. Thank you. And yeah, I got the mirror. But I have a feeling I'm going to hear from my mom. As always, stay safe out there, and the conversation continues over at the cul-de-sac, which is my Instagram, Wild Rose Lane Design, or Facebook, or even TikTok. You guys have a great day.